Bro, finally monetized, man. Like, it's crazy. It's crazy, man. I'm so blessed, man. We finally monetized, man. We did it. We got monetized, man. We finally can make money on this channel, bro. I am blessed, man. I'm so excited, man. For those that actually like the video, who actually comment, who actually subscribe, man, you guys are the GOAT, man. You're the reason why I'm monetized, man. You guys are amazing. I'm so blessed, man. When I say I'm blessed, bro, I'm blessed, man, because this is a huge milestone, bro. Because, bro, nowadays, man, it's so hard to reach 4,000 watch time and to get monetized and stuff like that, man. It's very tough, man. It's a tough process, man. Like, there's times where you want to give up, man. You want to just be like, you know what, this is not for me, bro. Like, you know what, I can't do this no more, man. This is, bro, forget it, man. But, bro, I just kept on going, man. Kept going, man, and look where I'm at, man. Blessed. Like when I saw this right here, bro, like dude, I was like, man, I was so pumped, man, you know. And that's why you guys see ads on this channel now. You feel me? This is basically like a thank you video for those that actually subscribe to my channel and like my channel and all that stuff, man. This is for you guys, man. I want to say thank you guys, man. You guys are the best, man. You're the reason why I'm monetized. I got this freaking Google AdSense right here, bro. I'm blessed, man. And for those that are about to hit, you know, the 4,000 watch time, man, you can do it, man. Just keep on posting, bro. Like, I'm telling you, keep posting, man. Like, I know there's times where you want to give up, bro. Like me, I wanted to give up, bro. I'm like, you know what? This is not for me, man. Cause look, I had like 2 channels, man. It was this other channel and this channel. So this channel, the other channel, I reached 4,000 watch time quick. But they were like, hey, man, YouTube was like, hey, man, you're not gonna monetize your channel, bro. So I had to start all over again. Same process. I try to like get monetized on the other channel, same thing. And then for this channel as well, I did the same thing. I was trying to get monetized. They said, hey buddy, what you doing, man? I don't like your content. So I had to start all over again. And then now look at me, bro. Now I'm monetized, bro. You know what I mean? So I'm blessed. Don't give up, man. If you give up, man, I'm gonna find you, man. I'm gonna find you, girl or guy. I'm gonna find you. Don't give up, man. You know, this is basically gonna be a short video, bro. You feel me? But I want to say thank you guys for those that watch my videos and all that good stuff, man. You guys are the GOAT, man. Shout out to you, shout out to you guys, man. Like, honestly, shout out to you guys, but like, for real. Anyways, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Like, comment, subscribe, and also too, for the people that are new to my channel, man, comment down below your channel, man, so I can check it out, man. You feel me? Anyways, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.